Flint has been one of my most popular sculptures recently, and a patron asked me if I could recreate it out of solid walnut. Because segmenting is very time consuming and tedious, it would be much more economical to make it out of solid wood. So I had to make 3 donuts and several cylinders. Of course, I had to cut my toruses in half. I cut my cylinders away. I rigged up a jig on my sanding table in order to sand the ends square. Unfortunately, once I had them glued up and tested the fit, I realized they were way too long. I actually had to cut a little bit off in order to decrease the amount of play between the pieces. Once the glue dried, I smoothed out the joints using all manner of power tools. I finished them with spray lacquer. And of course, to put them all together, I had to cut one in half. I idiotically cut it in the middle instead of along one of the joints. Despite the setbacks, I think it turned out pretty good. And the patron liked it too. Thanks for watching Cammie's Garage.